Hi, Paul here. My friend Jonathan Levy, my friend, has challenged me, like a good challenge, Jonathan, challenged me to do some crunches for the Crohn's Colitis Crunch Challenge. Not easy to say, which is why I've written it down. So I'm going to do that, Jonathan, right now. I'm going to do some crunches, and then I'm going to challenge one of my friends, one of you 5,000 lucky people on social media, to do some crunches, film it, and then pass it forward. It's a great cause, something that I feel very strongly about, so hopefully you'll get behind this. So here we go, some crunches. Hold on. Okay, Jonathan, here come the crunches. How many times do I have to crunch this? It's not that intense. Crunching? No? I gotta what? I gotta exercise. Who's this Jonathan chap anyway? 5,000, 5,001, 5,002, 5,003, 5,004, 5,005, 5,006, 5,007, 5,008. How many do I have to do? 5,010, 5,009, 5,010. Whoo! There you go, Jonathan. Just for you, my friend, and to raise awareness and a bit of money to help. 5,010, is that right? Woo, that's the old abs, that 12 pack there. Brilliant. Has challenged me to do some crunches to raise money and awareness for the Crohn's Colitis Challenge Crunch. Let me just check what he's asked me to do. Hang on. Awareness and donate to the... 1 second. Hey, Paul here. I'll do that again. Some money to the... I've got it written down and I still can't say it.